Hello friends! Welcome to today's video. So I decided, as you can see by the title of this video, I have decided to update my favorites cleaning products. Or I do have a couple of cleaning tools or things that I use when cleaning. Because I noticed that the last time I filmed my favorite cleaning products was about 2.5 years ago, so I figured today I would update it for you and just show you some of the new things that I've been using. I'm also going to include some of my all-time favorites that were also in my previous cleaning video or cleaning product video. So you'll definitely still see some of those if you're new here and you haven't went over to watch that video. You'll be able to see some of my new ones this time around. So yeah, before we get into the video, don't forget to go down and subscribe if you haven't already. Also give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and definitely go over and follow me on Instagram. And yeah, let's just get on into the video. Okay, so my first product I'm going to show you is the laundry detergent that I've been using. It's kind of heavy, so I'm gonna try to hurry and lift it up and tell you about it, and then move on to the next ones, because this is brand new and full. I didn't want to get my other one down and it leak all over the place. So this is the laundry detergent that I have been using recently. I think I've been using this for probably like 2 years now. So this is the Tide Simply Plus Oxy, so the OxyClean. I really enjoy it. It's in the refreshing breeze scent. Yeah, it's really inexpensive for a Tide product. I'm gonna set it down because it's kind of heavy. I do know that in my previous video I was using, I think it was like Sun, I think, and I said that I would never use Tide because it's like $20 for, you know, something this size. But I was able to find this. I was looking for something different. Also, I couldn't find the Sun stuff, and so I ended up buying this, and I just enjoyed it. So I've been using this for a while now. It's pretty inexpensive. I think it's like $8 for 96 loads. But obviously I'm not getting as much out of this as I would the other one, but it's not a big deal. I kind of wanted to use a more grown-up detergent anyways. So yeah, this is my new product I've been using. So yeah, this says 2-in-1 powerful detergent and fresh scent. But yeah, I mean, there's not much to say about it. It works, it works good, cleans my clothes. So I really do enjoy it. Okay, so moving on to more laundry types of cleaning products. My next thing is actually this. So this is an Odor Blaster. It's a detergent, but you like use it with your normal detergent. I've only used this a few times, but it seems to be doing better. So it's for like sweat, musty towels, body odor. It's just to help freshen up your clothes. So I tend to use this on like my husband's work clothes. The main reason why I bought it was to try to get my towels to be a little more fresher. I noticed that they were becoming a little more musty, and I didn't like that. So I've been starting to use this. So far I'm enjoying it, but as time goes on we'll see. I really do love the smell of it. Like it smells heavenly. Like it literally smells like a laundromat, and I love it. Let's see, does it tell me what it doesn't even say what scent it is. But yeah, so it does help get odors and stains out. So it says use with detergent. Yeah. Okay, so my next laundry thing is my fabric softener. It's the exact same fabric softener I was using 2.5 years ago. I really enjoy this. It's cheap and efficient. It gives me soft, fresh smelling clothes, and that's all I really need out of it. I'm actually been kind of afraid to use anything else because if you haven't seen my last video, before I started using this fabric softener, I was using the like bounce scent bead things, scent pearls, whatever you want to call them, and my youngest son ended up with like eczema or rash or something, some sort of allergic reaction to it, and as soon as I stopped using it and started using something else, he hasn't had it since. So I'm assuming that's what it is. So I'm afraid to use any sort of bounce products because I don't know what's in them. But so far this has been working, and that's why I have stuck with this. I have stuck with this because I know that it works and no one is getting allergic reaction to it. So far, yeah, it's good. It's called Field Flowers, which is what the scent is, and this is Suavital. I have no idea what like how to pronounce that. All I know is it works, smells good, makes my laundry soft, and I like it. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to show you is actually a laundry cleaning tool that I enjoy using, and that is these dryer balls. I recently purchased these because I have a king-size bed, and when washing my king-size comforters in my washing machine, they tend to just like crumple up and just dry rolling inside of there. Nothing ever gets like dry in the middle, and these help kind of break it up so that it gets all dry. So these have been a lifesaver for me. I'm really enjoying these, and I need to get some more. I feel like 2 isn't quite enough for a king-size comforter, so I think I need to get 2 more. I just haven't been able to find any more at my local Walmart, so I am still searching for them. I haven't looked in a couple of weeks, but I'm definitely going to get some more of these because they are great, especially if you're trying to like save energy and you don't want to, you know, keep drying over and over and over again to try to get it all dry, or if you're trying to, or you don't want to like take it out, lay it out somewhere. Because for me, I don't have a place really to lay it out, and if I did, my dogs will jump on it and get it dirty again, so these help a lot for that. Okay, so the last laundry item is probably my most favorite out of all of my cleaning products. This is the best product I have ever used in my whole life, and that is, oh, I just hit myself with it. That is the OxiClean Max Force Laundry Stain Remover, and this is like magic in a bottle. I love this. It can get out dried in stains if they're like dried once. So I mean, it's not like pure magic. It isn't gonna get out stains from 5 years ago that you've dried over and over again. But I have gotten lots of different stains out of clothes with this. My son recently got a nosebleed and I was able to get the stain out with that. I've gotten food stains, grease stains, all kinds of different stains out with just this. Now, I've never actually tried this on carpet. I don't know if it'll actually work on carpet. If anyone's interested, I don't know. But if I ever need to, I might. I have dark carpets, so I wouldn't really have a purpose. You know, like I don't have carpet that would really show a stain. But I mean, it's possible. You know, like right here it says 5 types of stain fighters: grease and oil, grass and blood, food stains, soil or clay, and drink stains is what it says that it'll get out. But yeah, it says tackle the toughest dried-in stains. So I don't know. This is my favorite thing in the whole wide world, and I don't think this will ever change. Okay, so the next thing is my toilet bowl cleaner. Now this isn't really anything special. I mean, it's toilet bowl cleaner, but I just wanted to share it with you because it's just a recent thing that I've been doing. It's a change from the last video. This is just, like I said, it's kind of an updated, what I'm using now, favorites type thing. So this is just the Clorox toilet bowl cleaner clinging bleach gel is all this is. So I mean, it's nothing special. It's just Clorox toilet bowl cleaner. Just thought I'd share. It seems to be working. So I do like the cling gel though, because I feel like it like stays in the bowl instead of like running down it. So that is nice. But other than that, it's just plain regular Clorox toilet bowl cleaner. Okay, and then the next cleaning product is my Method anti-bag all-purpose cleaner in Wildflower. This hasn't changed. I've been using this for about 2.5 years now. Maybe not this bottle per se, but this product. Because I did try a, what is it called? Mrs. Meyer's. Yeah, I tried the Mrs. Meyer's one in lavender, and I don't know what it was, but I could not stand the smell. It was so strong, and it gave me a headache, and I couldn't do it. So I ended up switching back to Method because I really do like this one. I even wasn't too keen on this one's smell either, but the scent of the other one is just, I couldn't do it. So I was like, okay, we're gonna get this one instead. We're gonna continue with this one instead. So like I said, it's not really anything new or exciting. I just wanted to let you know that this is something I've continued to use, and I do enjoy using it. And obviously it's been one of my favorites because I've been using it for so long. Okay, so the next thing I got are my Swiffer dry sweeping cloths. So here in our new house, we have hardwood floors in our kitchen, dining room, and down our hallway. And so these are really nice to kind of dust the floor. So what I usually try to do is vacuum or sweep the floor, try to get all the big stuff up, Swiffer it really quick because I do have an attachment, like a thing this goes on. And then, yeah, then Swiffer it to get anything else that the vacuum or the broom didn't get or left behind. And then I will mop the floor. So, I really do enjoy these. They, they really do pick up everything and don't really leave anything behind. So these have been really nice for, my floor cleaning process. And then of course following that is the mopping solution that I use. I use this, sometimes I tend to just use hot water because I feel like mopping solution leaves my floors kind of streaky. But when I do use it, this is what I use. This is the Fabuloso multi-purpose cleaner. I'm pretty sure it's just for floors. Well, it looks like you can use it for all different kinds of things. I guess if you put it in a spray bottle, you could use it to clean other things. But for me, I use it as my mopping solution. And this is just in the scent lavender. But I do really enjoy this. I like the scent of it, and it works when I need it to work. Okay, so I got 2 more things left to show you guys. So the first thing is a tool. It's very basic. It is a microfiber a microfiber cloth. I cannot speak today. Yeah, it's just a regular microfiber cloth. My husband got these in a big old pack from Costco. As you can see, they are from Kirkland. But yeah, you can get a big old pack of these. He needed some for work and I needed some here, so we just split the package. But like I said, it is just a basic cloth. I use this for dusting and like wiping down my my washer and dryer, this paneling back here. I used this to, you know, wash this. So yeah, like washing walls and stuff like that. This is what I use. I usually just spray it with my all-purpose cleaner, or I do have like a wood polishing spray dusting stuff, and I use that with this. So everyone's seen a microfiber cloth. It's not really anything special, so but I just wanted to let you know that this is what I have been using recently. Last but not least are my dishwasher packs. The things I put in my dishwasher to wash my dishes. So before I was using the ones from Costco, and actually these ones are great. I love them. So actually inside here I have, hold on, let me show you. So I have these ones, which are just normal, regular packs, which is what these specific ones are. Yeah. But one time I ended up getting these ones that have like this like gel stuff in them. These are horrible. I do not like these. Do not get the the great value ones with this stuff in them. I didn't like them. I liked the regular, not that one. Sorry. The regular ones. The plain, normal ones. The fancy ones don't work. For me anyways, I don't know if maybe someone else's dishwasher will do better. But for me, they didn't work. These ones worked better. These ones are just normal. But the other ones, I would like put them in a little like thing and you like close the flap, yeah, and wash my dishes, but when I would go to unload them, there was still like soap chunks all inside my dishwasher, all inside the little thing that you put it into, and I was just like, this is horrible. It wasn't dissolving correctly, it wasn't working correctly, and so I didn't care for them. So obviously I had like 5 left. I've been trying to use them, I just don't care to use them because of that reason. So I'm just like, I'll just continue to use these ones. Alright guys, that is all of my cleaning supplies, cleaning products that I have been enjoying. If you have any other questions about any of the products I showed, please leave a comment down below. I will definitely get back to you on it. Alright guys, that is all I have. I don't have anything else to say. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!